Introducing the Shark Detect Pro Self-Empty Robot Vacuum, your new best friend in home cleaning. Experience a new level of convenience and performance with these amazing features. Self-emptying base. The Shark Detect Pro automatically empties its dustbin into a bagless base that holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris. No more daily emptying, just set it and forget it. UltraClean Mode. With the push of a button, UltraClean Mode delivers 50% more suction power for deep cleaning, tackling even the toughest messes on any surface. AI laser navigation. Advanced laser sensors map your home, allowing the Shark Detect Pro to navigate and clean efficiently, avoiding obstacles and ensuring no spot is missed. For precision home mapping. Use the SharkClean app to create and customize cleaning maps, set no-go zones, and schedule cleanings, all from your smartphone. True HEPA filtration captures and traps 99.97% of dust and allergens down to 0.3 microns in the base, keeping it out of the air you breathe. Long-lasting battery. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, the Shark Detect Pro covers more ground in a single charge, ensuring your entire home gets the thorough clean it deserves. Experience the future of home cleaning with the Shark Detect Pro Self-Empty Robot Vacuum. Cleaner floors, less effort, more time for you. Get yours today and transform your home cleaning routine. Product link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart videos.